Hello and welcome to the Kaun Banega Smart Buy channel. Today we are going to share top 5 best gaming headphones available in the market. At number 5th spot on our list is Corsair HS50 Pro Stereo Gaming Headset. For extended gaming sessions, this gorgeous headphones features adjustable ear cups with plush memory foam that offers exceptional comfort and performs very good. One of its advantages is that it is equipped with custom-tuned 50mm high-density neodymium audio drivers that deliver excellent range, allowing you to clearly hear everything. The build quality of this headphone is so good that it is built with aluminum yokes that make it lightweight and durable. It offers on-air volume and mute controls, allowing you to easily make adjustments while gaming or watching videos. This will cost you around 3000 rupees and the link is in the description. Next, at number 4th spot on our list is Cosmic Byte GS410 headphones. The HyperX CloudX Stinger Core gaming headset features soft air cushions that offer a comfortable fit, which is very helpful for long sessions of gaming, and noise cancelling is such a huge advantage with flexibility, which offers good voice quality to the team members of the squad, which is again very helpful to the competitive gaming. The HyperX CloudX Stinger Core gaming headset comes with an inline remote control, making it easier to control the audio while gaming. It features 40mm directional drivers that offers enhanced bass, improving your gaming experience. This will cost you around 3500 rupees and the link is in the description. Next, at number 3rd spot on our list is Redgear Cosmos 7.1 USB gaming headphones. The Redgear by Rode Cosmos 7.1 gaming headset offers a 7.1 virtual surround sound experience, which makes competitive players to next level, or we can say a step ahead, due to the 7.1 features, which is a hardware driven and promises precisely located audio. Its closed air cup design ensures that the noise from your external surrounds is blocked properly. This headphone is a bundle of many quality features, and one of them is noise cancellation microphone to avoid audio disturbances. It offers LED effect on the ear cup and tip of the microphone to give it the gamer look and feel. This will cost you around 1600 rupees and the link is in the description. Next, at 2nd spot on our list is EXA E900 Wired Stereo Gaming Headset. The EXA E900 Wired Stereo Gaming Headset features premium quality thick memory foam cushion pads that allow you to comfortably use them during extended gaming sessions. It comes with the advantage of noise cancellation that reduces ambient noise to offer better audio, which helps to communicate better in tough scenarios in high-end competitive gamings. The build quality of this headphone is so good because it comes with a durable metal frame and features a lightweight design. It comes with a microphone with a mute key and omnidirectional noise reduction. It comes with 50mm speakers that offers powerful bass and clear treble. This will cost you around 2000 rupees and the link is in the description. Finally, the wait is over. Next, at 1st spot on our list is Corsair HS35 Stereo Gaming Headset. The Corsair HS35 Stereo Gaming Headset can be determined as a premium quality headset, as it comes with adjustable ear cups, memory foam that lasts for a long time and is comfortable even during extended gaming sessions. The sound quality is so good because it is equipped with custom-tuned 50mm neodymium speaker drivers that delivers good sound quality and offers an immersive gaming experience. We get detachable microphone that comes with this headset and can be optimized to offer high vocal clarity and reduced ambient noise. This microphone is a perfect choice in the competitive world of gaming. 3800 rupees and the link is in the description.